I am so excited to be at Bauman's Farm and Garden with Brian Bauman. And so, next week is GardenPalooza, and it's going to be here. And so, Brian, it's going to be the same GardenPalooza, but the Bauman twist.
Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how excited we are. Customers have been coming in all week, the last couple weeks. Oh my gosh, GardenPalooza is going to be here. And to me, it's going to have kind of a Saturday market feel.
Oh, neat.
There's going to be a long boulevard with booths on either side, booths in the middle, so you can just really stroll with your family, hang out, see all those familiar faces that you would expect at GardenPalooza.
Sure.
I mean, honestly, even as a vendor, we love to see each other. It's a great
It's
chance
a
to all hang out. Yeah.
And Brian, it's not just for the plant people or whatever, they love coming to GardenPalooza. It has all the family things here.
And I think that's one of the things that we've always tried to do at Bauman's. It's something we're excited about. I mean, you're going to be right next to the animal barn. The goats will be kind of like peeking over the tent, like, come see me, what's going on. The chickens and the geese and the bunny rabbits, all those will be here for all the little family members to enjoy.
Sure.
And for the few of us that are maybe a little bit older, like over 21, our hard cider company is right at the end of the boulevard. So you can see where we make the hard cider. We'll have staff there to answer questions, maybe give a little bit of tour, and maybe or may not try a sample or two or a glass.
Right.
All that will be here.
Yeah, and the bakery's here, or ice cream, or there's other food stuffs here. So really, it's a whole day. It's from 8 to 3. And then also, you always have special things to show us, all special plans for Bauman Farm. So what do you got this year?
I can barely keep it in. I'm so excited. So, this is brand new this year.
Oh, look at that.
Look at all the blossoms. So this is a brand new salvia. To me, it really reminds me kind of the traditional black and blue salvia, but it has a little more purplish tinge. It's called Hummingbird Falls.
Wow.
And I mean, it's not exactly like cascading over the sides. I think of it more kind of like a mounding habit to it. But I mean, it's probably got 50 buds on it already. I hadn't even seen this until the spring. We started growing it. We've been growing it, and I'm like, this is perfect.
It is.
This is exactly what I want for GardenPalooza. So this will be the first chance you have to get it.
Oh, excellent. And it'll be nice. It'll be up in the rafters, so it'll be right at hummingbird level.
Yeah, it's almost like a live hummingbird feeder. Everyone always asks me, what plant do you put in your garden for hummingbirds? And salvia is hands down.
Exactly.
They're like fighting over it. They're so excited.
It is true. Well, next week, the 9th, is GardenPalooza at Bauman's Farm and Garden, so you have to come out, see everything from Bauman's, but then all of our favorites that are here every year at GardenPalooza. Brian, so excited.
I am so excited.